Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to show to you how to disable Snapchat calls. So what you're going to have to do is to simply open Snapchat and then simply go to chat, and then here you're going to have to simply tap on the conversation that you want to disable the calls from. So simply tap on their profile picture and then simply tap on this three dots in the top right corner, and then here you're going to have to simply tap on chat and notification settings, and then simply tap on notification settings again, and then simply select here mute calls. So make sure to enable this, and as you can see, you're gonna have 4 different options. So you have for 1 hour, for 8 hours, for 24 hours, and then until I unmute them. So you can choose any of these, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.